Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy Zincum metallicum. Its common name is zinc, and this is taken from the Ellen's keynote with some additions from Boric, Clark, etc. And this text is best for homeopathic students, interns, and who are preparing for MD or UPSC. The remedy profile. It is an important remedy which has got very great function or it can action on the brain and nerves. It belongs to mineral kingdom and it is a metallic element. The formula is zinc, Zn. The habitat. This substance is found in abundance in the minerals in, and preparation is the remedy is prepared by trituration of the pure metal with sugar of milk and thereafter higher potencies are prepared. This remedy was proved by Dr. Honeyman and his associates. Affinity, the organ tissue affinity or sphere of action of this remedy is brain, nerves, spine, blood, occiput and orbits. The latter affinity, it is ambilateral, and the thermal affinity, this remedy is a chilly remedy. Please remember the constitutional characteristic, the physical attributes. There is no specific physical attributes are there except that the person is extremely physically and mentally weak. Whenever we think about zincum metallicum, the physical and mental weakness is profound. The psychic component, especially we think about temperament, you will find this patient is melancholic in terms of temperament wise, and then general mental attributes you will find that he has got very weak memory, very sensitive to noise, aversion to work, to talk, and the very peculiar aspect about children is that they repeat everything said to it. They fear arrest on account of supposed crime. It is a kind of a delusion, and patient is lethargic, stupid, and paralytic, semi-paralytic, you can say. So that is which is the main attribute of intrinsic attribute, or you can say miasmatic attribute of this remedy is there is a sluggishness of mental and physical reactions. The causation or elements from or predisposing or exciting causes include following: defective vitality. Defective vitality is best attributed in terms of homeopathy is by vital force is not having that kind of a normal reaction. So it is a sluggish in reaction. Suppressed eruptions and discharges, they act as exciting causes for acute precipitating of the certain symptoms, and the fright is also one of the very important exciting cause. The characteristic feature of this remedy include there is an incessant and violent physicity, impending paralysis of brain, child cries during sleep, convulsions, twitching and jerking, ravenous hunger at 11 to 12 am, and the patient eats greedily or hastily. While sweating, cannot tolerate covering. This is a very important PQR of this particular remedy. So let us see the relationship. If we'll compare, we'll have to compare with Helleborus and we have to compare with tuberculinum, especially in case of incipient brain disease from suppressed eruptions. This remedy is followed well by Ignatia, but not by Nux, which disagrees to this particular drug. And the inimical remedy is the chamomilla and Nux vomica. They should not be used before or after zincum metallicum. The aggravation. General modalities. Aggravation is for many symptoms from drinking wine, even a small quantity, and the amelioration is symptoms of chest are ameliorated by expectoration, symptoms of bladder are ameliorated by passing urine, and if there is a back symptoms, they are eliminated or they are improved by emissions. In general, by menstrual flow, patient feels better, means all physiological discharges give him relief. So mathematic correlation, let us find certain pointers to is. So the markers are, if the vital reactions are sluggish, they point to Soric trait. Suppression of eruptions activates the Sora, therefore it points to Soric trait. From the above point of view, you will like to keep zincum metallicum in the group of Soric cluster of the remedies from the homeopathic point of view. The posology. The doses lowest to highest potencies must be given. In suppressed condition, 200 and above is the best. Repetition, single dose of the high potency is a rule, and duration of action approximately 30 to 40 days according to Clark. So what are the conditions where we can apply this remedy? They are brain fag, brain affections, chilblains, convulsions, debility, fidgety, memory is weak, meningitis. So thank you very much, friends, for patient listening. We finish it here.